I received this custom stencil kit from IKONART. As most of you know, I do my screen printing with adhesive vinyl cut on my Cricut, and I use that as a stencil on my screen. This IKONART kit is kind of a hybrid between my vinyl screen printing method and traditional screen printing. The kit comes with light sensitive film that we are going to expose to make the screen. So it's a little easier than traditional screen printing in that you don't have to add your own emulsion to the screen. I am going to use the inkjet printer film to print out my design, which means you can do this project without having a vinyl cutter. And it also means that you can do more intricate designs that you might not be able to cut in vinyl. So let's give this a try.